morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now I am going to teach English language worksheet 2 plus revision 2. Which one? Worksheet 2 plus revision 2. Okay? All of you take your English language book. Page number 49. Worksheet 2. Page number 49 English language book. Okay, are you ready? Yes. See, A. Tick the correct articles. Tick the correct articles. What are articles? A and D are called articles. Okay, what are articles? Say the definition. A and D are called articles. Then question is, tick the correct articles. See, first one, in the bracket A and an. Old man is coming down the stairs. See, an. Answer is an old man is coming down the stairs. Okay, answer is an. Tick it here. Then 2. There is, bracket it is A and D, food stall in the corner. 2 boys are buying food. Answer is there is a food stall. Answer is A. Tick it A. Then 3. Bracket it is A and. A lady is standing at the bookstall. The lady is buying a book. Answer is a lady is standing at the bookstall. The lady is buying a book. A and the ticket. Then 4. There is, bracket am or A. There is an envelope in Madhu's hand. There is an. Answer is an. There is an envelope in Madhu's hand. Understand all of you? Okay. Then take page number 50. B. Circle the correct pronouns in the bracket. Circle the correct pronouns in the bracket. I already taught that what is pronouns. Okay. Then you see the exercise. Circle the correct pronouns in the brackets. Then see, circle the correct pronouns in the bracket. There are many people at the railway station. She and they. Answer is circle they. They are traveling to different places. Madhu is wearing a pink dress. Bracket it is she and it. But the circle answer is she. She is carrying a blue bag. Full stop. The coolie is wearing a red kurta. We and he. But the answer is circle he. He is the answer. He helps us. Circle us also. To carry our heavy bags. Little Reena is thirsty. Ravi is filling a bottle with cold water for her. Circle her. Then a long train enters the busy station. It is carrying passengers from Bombay. Okay. Which one is the pronouns? Pronouns they, she, he, us, her and it. Okay. Circle this words. Words means it. Circle this pronouns. Okay. Understand all of you? Then move the last exercise C. Write the adjectives used for these nouns in exercise B. See, first you read the exercise B, then answer it C. First read the exercise B, then answer exercise C. See, answer is 1 pink dress. Write the adjectives used for these nouns in exercise B. Understand all of you? Okay. Then first one, pink dress. Second, red kurta. Third, see, heavy bags. Fourth, busy station. 5. Thirsty arena. 6. Cold water. 7. Long train. Okay, I repeat same answers. Pink, red, heavy, busy, thirsty, cold, long. Okay. Then D. Paste a picture of your best friend. Write the 3 adjectives to describe her or him. Understand? Okay, do the homework. This one also you do it. Paste a picture of your best friend. Write 3 adjectives to describe her or him. Okay. Then see page number 51, revision 2. Page number 51, revision 2. Fill in the blanks with A and D. First one, fill in the blanks with A and D. First one, my auntie drives a car. A is the answer. Then second, can you tell the difference between an emu and an ostrich? An. Answer is an, and here also is an. Then 3. My mother gave me a banana and an apricot. An. Answer is A and an. Then 4. My friend wants to see the Taj Mahal. Answer is Tha. Then 5. The earth is round. Dha. First one A, an, then A, an, dha. Okay. Then B. Find 7 pronouns in these words each. Use them to complete the sentence. Find 7 pronouns in these words each. Then use them to complete the sentences. You have to find 5 pronouns, then fill in the blanks. Okay. Then see. She is my auntie. She. Find it and circle, then write down answer here. Second, this is mummy's bag. Please give it to her. Answer is her. Then 3, India is our country. We love our country. Answer is we. Then 4, he is my brother. He. 5, can your father come on Monday? I wish to talk to him. I repeat, can your father come on Monday? I wish to talk to him. Answer is him. Then 6, we made 2 new friends. We played with them. Answer is them. 7, my grandparents live in Kanpur. They will come on Sunday. Answer is they. Okay. Then next exercise, page number 52. C. Underline the pronouns in their sentence. Underline the pronouns. First one, I went to the park with mummy. I is the pronouns. Underline I. Second, my father makes pots. He is a potter. He underline. Pronouns is he. Then 3, I have many friends. They are all helpful. I and they is the pronouns. Underline these 2 words. Then 4th, we celebrate every festival. The answer is we. Underline we. We is the pronouns. Underline. 5, Sumana is my cousin. She is kind. She is the pronouns. Underline this one. Okay. Then D. Circle the correct adjectives. Circle the correct adjectives. First one, it is very cold in winter. Cold is the adjectives. Circle cold. Then 2, woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes. Then warm also circle. Answer is woolen and warm. Then 3rd, on a cold day we like to have hot. Answer is hot. On a cold day we like to have hot. Hot is the answer. Then 4. Rain makes everything wet. Wet is the answer. Circle wet. 5. The high mountains are covered with white snow. High is the answer. Then white also is circle. High and white is the answer. Okay. Then the last exercise. E. Fill in the blanks with the adjectives. Here is said, he is very hungry. Fill in the blanks with the adjectives. He is very hungry. Hungry is the answer. He is eating a vegetable sandwich. Vegetable. Then the sandwich is yummy. Then the sandwich is yummy. He is also having orange juice. The juice is cold and sweet. Okay, underline. Then fill in the blanks with the adjectives. Adjectives is hungry, vegetables, yummy, cold, sweet. Okay. Do the exercise in the English language book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Listen, I wish you all of you happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. Okay.